Am I using time for its intended purpose? As I read this in the Course in Miracles the other day, ever since I read it in the Course in Miracles the other day, I've been thinking about how I use time. So we know time is a construct, it's an illusion, and yet when we meditate or when we are really using time in its intended purpose, we lift up out of time. There's always enough time. We're never in a rush. We're able to get the meditation done, and we're able to get all the things that we should be getting done, right? And should meaning as directed by the Holy Spirit. And so today, as I am on the mountain, I'm thinking about how I spend my time and the instances when there never seems to be enough time. And when there never seems to be enough time, that's a big red flag that I'm in my ego, that I am looking at things, that I'm operating from my ego and that standpoint or that vantage point. And in the Course in Miracles, it also talks about the holy instant is available to us all at any moment. It's right here, right now. And in fact, the holy instant is just a glimpse of what reality is. It's our way of knowing the real reality, right? The eternal reality that we can choose to live in the holy instant if we decide to. And a big part of that is being aware. A big part of that is recognizing when we experience the holy instant. And the holy instant is experienced when we're in the present, when we are sitting still, when we're listening to the truth, when we are resting in the truth. The truth needs no defense. The truth needs no justification. The truth is the truth, and the truth is eternal. It's never changing. It's changeless. And this morning, as I hike this mountain and I see this beautiful sunrise, I think about how this is such a space that I enjoy, and I am using time for its intended purpose. This is where I connect to my higher self. This is one of the places I connect to my higher self. This is a place that's easy for me to get still, even though I'm physically moving my body. So do you have a place like that? Do you have a place that is easy for you to connect? My goal is to be able to connect that way all the time, and remember exactly who I am all the time, so that I am eternally living in the holy instant. So I hope you are having a wonderful day. I know that today is full of miracles, and I'm sending you love and light. See you all soon.